Hi guys, this is Sathik from .in.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to extract various zip files such as .zip, 001, 002 and so on into one single folder. In my last video, I showed you how to deal with the 7-zip files as you could see over here, and in this video, I'll show you how to deal with the zip files, not the 7-zip. The steps are somewhat different, so please keep that point in mind. For 7-zip, have a look at this article in the video. For zip file, I'll show you how. So let's get started. For the sake of reference, I have these three zip files, zip.001, 2 and 3 as you could see over here. So first and foremost, I'll show you how to get the job done without using any third-party app. So for that, let's use the CMD window, and the command for that is as follows. This is the copy/b space first file, second file, third file, add a plus in all of them and add the file name as much file as you have next to each other, add a plus sign, then finally give the file name as output.zip. Any file name will get the job done. So for now, let's use these things and replace the file name accordingly. In my case, the file name is same as over shown here, but please rename the file if required and add as many files as required. Just add the plus sign between the two file names. So let's copy the files, open the CMD window over here, hit enter, paste the command. You could see in my case, the file name was same as before, exactly the same, .zip.001 file, and you could see, and this is the file of output. Hit the enter key. It will now extract all the three files and place them into one single folder. The benefit of this is that it's quite fast approach and there's no need for any third-party app. The drawback is that it will give all the files in a zip format. So you'll have to again extract the files. As you could see, we have got all the three files, but these three are inside the zip folder. So let's extract it once again. 7-zip, extract to output, and you will now get all the files. So this requires one more step. As you could see, after doing the CMD approach, you have to extract the files via the 7-zip or any third-party tool. So this will take some time. But the best part is that it's quite a fast approach. You could see we have got all the three extractions done in a few seconds. The only drawback is that you'll have to again extract the files. With that said, let's keep a tab on this. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. So guys, as you could see, it's now complete and we have got all the files over here. There are over 7 files, as you could see, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the file is as follows. Of the entire folder, the file is properties, 4.56 GB. As you could see, we have got all the files now. So just to recall, the benefit is that it's quite fast. On the flip side, to give you a zip file, you have to again extract the zip file. So this might require one or two more steps, but it's quite fast approach and it does not require any third-party app. You simply extract it via the inbuilt Windows tool as well from here. No need to use any third-party app. So with that said, let's now move on with the next method. Okay, just give me a second. There are 7 files, as we have just seen, and the file size is 4.56 GB. We'll compare the size of all these methods. Okay, we have got it. Let me now remove both the files. The next approach involves using the 7-zip software. Please install the tool from its official website. And once that is done, the next method is quite an impressive one. In this method, you have to only extract the first file, which is the 001. Only extract the first file. 7-zip will automatically extract all the files as well. I don't know how that is done, but it's quite an impressive approach. So you only have to extract the first file, which is named as .001. Simply extract that. All the other file 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be extracted by the 7-zip software automatically. Let me show you. I'll extract just the first file over here. Show more option, 7-zip, extract to file. The file name will extract, but it will extract all the three files as well. The 01, 02 and 03, all the three files will be extracted in just a few seconds. So the perk of this approach is that you only have to extract one single file. The drawback is you just have to install one more software, which is the 7-zip software. That's the only drawback, as I could see over here. But again, it's quite a fast approach. Only extract one single file and all the other will be done automatically. So with that said, let's wait for a few more seconds. In around 8 to 10 seconds, the transfer will be done. Extraction is now complete, as you could see over here. We'll then verify the file size and the file name as well and see if it's the same or not. So I have just done the file extraction of the first file only. The rest of the files are automatically been extracted by 7-zip and we have got it. You could see we have got all the 7 same files. Let's verify the file size as well. Show more option, properties, and you could see the same file size. So only I did the file extraction of the first file. I only extracted the first file, but 7-zip automatically did for the second and third as well. That's quite a handy approach. Our last approach is to choose all the three files, all the files which you have. Right click on it, choose show more option, 7-zip, and then choose extract to / It will now extract all the files. And again, the perk is that it's somewhat faster, but not that much as compared with the second approach. It's somewhat lengthy. The drawback is the same as before. You have to install a third-party app, which is the 7-zip software, but still will get the job done. So you must choose either of the two approaches. Either choose all the files and do an extraction, or simply choose the first file, the 001, and then get the job done. The choice is all yours. So again, we'll verify if the size is same or not, and we should have total 7 files in the folder. Let me see what happens now. And only 4-5 seconds are more remaining. Once that is complete, okay, now let's see what happens now. So you could see we have got all these 7 files over here, and the file size should be 4.56 GB. Properties over here, the same size. So guys, we have overall 3 approaches. The first one is to use a CMD window. The perk is that you don't have to use any third-party app. On the drawback side, you will have to again extract the file because the file is in the zip format. You could see again do an extraction. Then we have the option of the 7-zip single extraction. Choose the first file. The benefit is that it's quite fast. Only choose the first file. The flip side is you require a third-party app. Then you have the option to choose all the 3 files, all the files which are there, and choose the extract to /. In this case, the benefit is that somewhat easy to carry out. On the flip side, you require a third-party app installation, and likewise, it's somewhat lengthier than the second approach. And that is just about it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.